Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a wheelchair mobility accessible van, and you can see I can use either one of the keys. I can open up power sliding doors and power ramp hatch. The ramp itself is manual, very easy to operate. I can do this with just 2 fingers. Undo the clamps. These clamps are a great design. They keep these ramps from rattling around and back. It's got a handle on either side, driver or passenger side. I can take it out using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can pick a gallon of milk up off the ground, this ramp should be easy for you. It's got 34 inches going all the way up. It's got the spare tire there, which is very rare in new vehicles. Most new vehicles don't have a spare tire. Those are generally about $800. So that's a nice add-on there. Headliner looks great. Now this will hold 1 wheelchair. This is not the standard with 2 wheelchairs. Comes with your tie down points there and up front. We do give a free set of Q strength pull tight tie downs with this. The leather is in excellent condition. It's got the rear air, of course. The dash looks great. I don't see any issues with the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, navigation, dual climate control. A real nice console up there, heated seats, so it's fully loaded. It's got the power doors up there. You can also close the power doors there. And when you get everybody situated, get everybody secure, come back out. Gonna lift the ramp up just like so. Clamp it down and you're ready to roll. You can also shut the power trunk latch right there. Now let's say you plan on using, maybe you're going to use it commercially, maybe you're going to be using these doors all day, every day, and you don't want to break those power doors or that power hatch. You can push the off button here, turn all the power off. These all become manual. They slide shut, so if you want to go that option. Got nice alloy wheels on it, tinted windows. Got the roof rack. All the tires are pretty darn good condition. I'm not going to say new, but they've got a lot of tread left on them. All 4 of them do. Real sharp looking van. And this is the GT model. This is the top of the line Dodge makes with the leather. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. I do like this little gap between the captain's chairs here. So a little cleaning solution got on there. We'll wipe that, see if we can get that wiped off. But it allows you to actually access through the middle in the van here if you need to get to the person in the back. Say it's a child or family member of yours. That's a real nice feature to have. Hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. I'm not saying it's perfect condition, but it's really, really nice condition for a van with 83,000 miles on it. Another great feature these GTs have, if you have any medical equipment or apparatuses that you need electricity for, you got your plug in there, you got your outlet back here, you got plenty of cup holders. Show you the VIN number. I apologize for this Kansas wind, good Lord. Welcome to Kansas. We always show the VIN numbers in every vehicle we're selling. It's got the power seats. They work just fine. And it also has the auto start, which is a great feature to have whether it's summertime or wintertime. If you want this nice and warmed up, we're gonna lock it, hit the start button twice. Fires right up. You can have it all defrosted, have it nice and heated, even if you have a garage. The auto start is wonderful to have. Then we come in, put our key in, turn it on. You can see all the dummy lights work, and of course they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Also has the navigation. Radio works. There's the navigation. There's the backup camera. So yeah, like I said, fully loaded. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Before I do that, we've checked all the power mirrors, power locks, power windows. We've inspected this van. We do not just throw these vans on the lot. We inspect them. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We have a very large shop. We spend a lot of money reconditioning vans if they need it. This van honestly didn't really hardly need anything. It was very nice condition when we got it. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, idles smoothly. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any unusual wear, no signs of any rust from any water damage. The battery looks like it's been replaced within the last or actually been about 4 or 5 months ago, but a fairly new battery in there. Underneath the van, this is very important. If you notice, our competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of a van. The reason is they buy a lot of these from New York and Chicago that are all rusted out. They pay less for these vans than I do, and then they sell them for more than I do. But as you can see, no leaks, no rust, no signs of damage. And you know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it's a 2017 or it's newer. They assume it's in good condition. They assume it's not going to be all rusty. They assume that it's going to run and drive good and not have issues. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. From someone that buys vehicles all day, every day, I don't care what year it is, I don't care what the miles are, I would say 80% of vehicles are not what they appear in pictures. And so if someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, and they won't get off their behind and they won't get out and make you a detailed video like this, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get burned on the internet every day. You hear about it on TV, you hear about it online. Don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video like this. Demand it. If I could give you any advice, even if you don't buy from me, demand a detailed video. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. One super small little clunk in this door here. It's just been rounded out there. Hear that little noise. It's not going to affect the drivability of this at all. If you want us to dig into that at your cost and keep that little click out of there, we sure can. To me, it doesn't affect the drivability. It's 83,000 miles. It's not perfect. But if you want us to, talk to us. But again, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. If I know something about this van, I want you to know it. Let's take it for a drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway. So you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we're not pulling any punches. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Gets up to about 70 miles an hour, 68 miles an hour, no problems. Cruise control works great. And I'm sorry that wind is blowing us all over the place today. It's insane. But steering wheel's nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. Cruise control works. And keep in mind, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I get it. Look, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You can look at our reviews online. I think we have a 4.8 out of 5 last time I checked. So people say great things about us. We've had hundreds of people review us. We're on eBay. We have over 600 transactions, never had a negative feedback. My point is, we're transparent about how we do business. We're transparent about the vehicles we're selling. We try to be honest and fair as we possibly can. And as much as you want to believe it might be true, most people aren't like that. So we take a lot of pride in trying to shoot people straight. So keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. And then you figure in their $500 or $1,000 or $1,500 in document and tag fees and freight and all these words they make up to take extra money from you they didn't tell you about. And then you figure in shipping, next thing you know, you're $2,000 to $3,000 more than the price they had online. So, nice hard brake. No one's behind me, I'm looking. It brakes smooth, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So, that's exactly what we want. And my point back to the competition, they've got all these fees they stack on you. You know, if someone's going to hide money from you, if they're not going to tell you the actual cost, if they're going to try to add all these fees without your permission, if they're hiding money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they not telling you about an accident they know about? Are they not telling you about mechanical issues? I mean, seriously, folks, if someone's going to hide money from you, what won't they hide from you? So, when you compare us, keep in mind I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here making videos. I'm laying on the ground. That's because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want this van to show up and you say, oh, I didn't know this or I didn't know that. That is not how I do things. So if you want to do business with the competition and deal with a used car salesman who's probably not going to be working there in a month or two, probably be out chasing that commission check somewhere, give the competition a call. If you want to deal with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big old companies See if they even care about you enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. I'd be interested to see how that goes. We do have financing available. We can send you a credit application to your phone or to your email, or we can take one over the phone. So don't hesitate to ask. We can try and get you financed. Again, we have free shipping in the lower 48 states. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, please check us out at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.